So one specific example is when our friend Mariola was facing deportation. Mariola has been in the country for about 3 or 4 years. She's the mother of a young boy who was born in the U.S. Mariola and her sister work in Lynn, Salem. They work really hard. They have a lot of family here in the U.S. And one day, Mariola was driving, and the police stopped her. And although she was stopped and she was let go, when she went to court the next day, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, was there waiting for her to detain her and put her in detention. But luckily, she had her son with her, so they didn't detain her, but she was immediately put into deportation proceedings. So Mariola was put into deportation proceedings because she was just driving without a license. And that was a really scary time for us, but we also knew that if we had enough community involvement and enough power, we would be able to stop her deportation. So we worked with the North Shore Labor Council. We worked with a lot of community and union allies. We worked with Professor Noam and Avi Chomsky, who are friends of the family. And we had rallies outside of the Burlington Detention Center. We had an online petition. We had a fundraiser for the family, and we were able to stop her deportation. So that's one example of when we were able to help someone. But there's lots of examples of times that Jobs with Justice has stood in solidarity with workers who are trying to reclaim wages, who are trying to have better conditions at work, who are trying to stop their deportations, who, as parents, are trying to have more active participation in the school system. So we do a lot here at Jobs with Justice to support workers as much as we can and to support our community groups and our unions too.